Are 540 needle derma rollers fake? I've seen multiple videos and articles claiming that a derma roller with 540 needles is a fake derma roller that uses discs with spokes instead of individual needles. Several YouTubers even created very fancy illustrations showing why a 540 needle roller is bad for your skin. But I question this in my mind. If a 540 needle derma roller really uses spokes, does that automatically mean the derma roller is bad and ineffective? Have people used both derma rollers to see the difference, or are they just quoting what they hear? I couldn't find any credible research done on the matter, so I decided to test it myself. In my first derma rolling trial, I used a 192 needle derma roller for 3 months, and in my second trial, I used a 540 needle derma roller for 6 months. Which did I find more effective? My initial derma roller with 192 needles was 0.5 millimeters and composed of titanium. It was purchased in a Los Angeles TJ Maxx for $10. I started using it in February of 2022 and concluded usage around May of the same year. This roller had much thicker needles. These needles felt more painful than a 540 needle derma roller, and when I first used it, I was so put off from the pain that I put the roller back in its box and didn't use it for 4 years. In 2022, I decided to make one final attempt to see if I could regrow my hair using the 192 needle derma roller. In order to get through the pain, I changed up my routine. I would pinch my scalp and lift it into bunches, which were significantly less painful to derma roll because of the added stimulation and pressure. In certain areas where the hair would get too long, I would stamp the roller instead of rolling it, because upon rolling, the thicker needles would snag my existing hair, causing unnecessary shedding. In my personal experience, the derma roller with 192 needles significantly improved my hair count and thickness in 30 days, with a dramatic reversal of thinning and baldness in 3 months. In the fall of 2022, after hearing reports of fake 540 needle derma rollers floating around, I was curious. I purchased a 540 needle derma roller from an online Latin marketplace called Mercado Libre. This derma roller had noticeably thinner needles and pain was non-existent, at least for me. But it was also my experience that the 540 needle derma roller took 6 months to show results, twice as long as the 192 needle derma roller I used before. Here are the results of my derma rolling experiences side by side. So what does the science say? As microneedling has gained momentum and popularity, more and more studies are being done to verify its efficacy. And from what I can tell, a needle is just a needle. In the 540 needle count category, we have a study performed in 2020 where 20 subjects were given a microneedling session after PRP injection. Each subject showed significant improvement. In a December 2019 study focusing on skin instead of hair, derma rolling with the 540 needle roller was highly effective at reducing the color and depth of facial scars. And what about 192 needles? Studies found them to be just as effective in treating skin and hair conditions. A 2014 study found a combination of derma rolling with a topical corticosteroid to be a promising treatment for alopecia areata. And a comprehensive analysis of studies done on microneedling in a 2016 report found 192 and 540 needles to be useful in treating a wide range of hair and skin conditions. So what exactly is a fake roller? Well, the FDA defines a derma roller or microneedle as an instrument with technological features such as many small needles, tips, or pins on the surface which are repeatedly inserted and removed into the skin. For example, the needles may be attached to a cylinder that is rolled across the skin, projected on a flat surface that is stamped on the skin, or arranged in a pattern on the tip of a pin-shaped instrument. So technically, a dermal roller that uses a disc is a true dermal roller as long as it contains needles, tips, or pins on the surface, which can be repeatedly inserted and removed into the skin. Now, I never did crack my dermal rollers open to see if they were attached to discs, but based on my hair growth results, a roller with 540 needles is not automatically a fake roller, nor will it necessarily cause more damage or stress to the skin or scalp than a 192 needle roller. Just remember that when it comes to treating the hair loss, buy a roller with needles that are at least 0.5 millimeters in length. Check out the reviews of the dermal roller you're seeking to purchase, consult a professional about any concerns you have, and give it a trial run. For best practices on how to use a dermal roller, check out my playlist, Dermal Rolling Best Practices. And most of all, remember to be patient and give yourself 3 to 6 months to see results. I'll catch you in my next video. Have a good one. Peace.